Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you guys have heard on the news, but everyone's been freaking out about the coronavirus, and we're gonna test our luck today and try to go see if we can get anything at the stores. We're gonna try to get a bunch of supplies and a bunch of other things. So I also did order some parts from China. One of them came in today and I'm a little skeptical about it. I know I shouldn't be, just because it's not like it's gonna have the virus, but let's go ahead and see what it is. Oh, and I also don't know if you guys have noticed, we got in the hoodies. These are so freaking comfortable. I love them. Love the way it feels, love the way it looks. It is so awesome. It's pretty much true to size. It's a little on the bigger side, so I'm a medium and I usually wear my things pretty slim fitted, but this is like perfect. It's right in between medium and large. So whatever size you're gonna get, it might be a tiny bit oversized, but it's okay because that's a look. I love this thing. It's so nice. Yeah, you guys should definitely check out the website and cop these if you're interested. All right, guys. So this is what I got from China. Let's see what it is. But first I gotta kill off all the coronavirus on it. This is from Changsha, China. Ooh. I've been wanting to get this for a while, so I finally decided to get it. It's pretty much middle compartment coin holder, because you know how we don't have any spot to hold our coins, so it's pretty much like a little insert. Comes with the little Lexus IS pad, which I don't really need, but that's kind of cool. It's pretty much not gonna have any grip, so this is cool. It's like some padding for all your stuff. I saw this on eBay for about 15 to 20 bucks, and I bought it on AliExpress, which is everything imported from China. I got it for like 11 bucks, 8 bucks. So this is pretty much gonna go in right here. I already cleaned everything out. It's still kind of dirty, but this goes right on top. It should fit in really snug, and there you have it. So it's cool because you can still kind of put stuff underneath, and then you just put this right over. But this is more clean. I won't start hoarding stuff, so this is dope. I'm cool with this. What do you think, babe?
I like it.
So I forgot to tell you, I made a deal with some sketchy guy, and I got us this. Cost me an arm and a leg. Smells so good.
Rub it all over your face. Just kidding.
Shit's gonna burn.
Yeah.
Guys, don't forget, always stay clean. Keep your hygiene levels up. Doesn't matter if there's corona or not. Just stay sanitized. Brush your teeth too. I know a lot of you guys get fucked up and don't brush your teeth. I've been there too. Every time you drink, wake up the next morning, brush your teeth immediately, or if you can, try to brush your teeth while you're drunk. Boom! What do you guys think? Keeps it a little cleaner. I need to clean all this little stuff out here, so I'll probably wipe that down later, but other than that, I think it's pretty cool. And like I said, you get to keep all your stuff underneath. You guys can see I still have stuff under there. All right, babe, let's go and get some supplies and prepare for this epidemic.
Pandemic.
Yeah, that too. All right, guys, our first stop, Target. Let's see what we can find. Oh my God, everything's gone. Damn. How hard is it to restock stuff nowadays? You know what's crazy? She's needed this for like the last month.
I work with little kids.
She works with little kids and they have ringworm and then she gets it, but she's needed this for the last 3 months and they finally have it when all of this shit is going on. So we're gonna see if they have tampons for my ass. Hell yeah, one for me, one for you. If you guys have never had this, this is the greatest thing ever.
Who bought it for you the first time?
Me. This watermelon's lit, dude. This is the best smelling one and it's good for you. God damn it. This is literally all I freaking came for is toilet paper. I'm just kidding. Living in an Asian household, we already have a shit ton of toilet paper, so it doesn't even fucking matter. So I've been stocked up since freaking 2019, so we good.
You're the MVP. You literally never helps me carry anything.
I'm carrying stuff. I honestly love how there's still so much food. People are like so worried about wiping their ass, but nothing's gonna come out of their ass if not eating anything. It makes no sense to me. All right, guys. Successful haul to Target. What do you think, babe? I honestly thought we weren't gonna be able to get anything, but I'm pretty sure that's just more of like Trader Joe's and all the other stores, so I'm really glad that we got a lot of essentials that she needed. All right, guys, after some shopping, we made it to All Aspects. I wanted to come and show Ivana some of the hoodies, have her try on like a certain size and see if it fits her. I'm pretty sure small is gonna fit her, but we just wanted to be safe. Woo. Babe, stand next to my car. Ooh, Josh over here with the Dirty 30. I bet you guys haven't seen this in forever. He's been focusing more on the E92, which is perfectly fine, but supposedly he has things for this car and some huge plans, so hopefully he pulls through with it. Oh, look.
So cute.
If you guys watch Demon Slayer, you're a real one. But yeah, let's go check it out, see what he's up to. It's kind of unfortunate because we were gonna go sliding today because it's gonna be raining for the next like 8 days. And it sucks because every time I don't want it to rain, it rains. Like when I wanted to paint. And then the one time I actually do want it to be rain and wet outside, it's not. God, just playing with my feelings right now. First Corona, now this. Josh.
Don't film me there.
What up, Foo?
Oh. No, fuck you.
Yeah, I'll cut your hair for you. So we're gonna have her try on the small, see if it fits. Pretty sure it will, but better to be safe. Josh, can I vlog cutting your hair? Damn it. Damn, fire. How's it feel though?
It just feels really good. You're right. It feels like the best out of all the sweatshirts.
Ooh, that's what I like to hear. We're gonna go sliding, like I said, but I don't know what's gonna happen. I know his car can slide without water. He doesn't care about his tires anyways because he has 2 cars. Must be nice. Me, on the other hand, I will need water to even make it slide. And I don't want to burn through my tires because of my camber too. Wow. Josh hooked her up with the All Aspects hoodie.
It's like Christmas.
Thank you, Josh. I think right now he's going to look for some joggers for me. All right, guys, me and Josh are gonna go full send it, do a little bit of sliding, and I will see you guys at the spot. So you want to show me what you got? No warm up? Let's see what you got. To be passenger, this is, I'm down. Who says you can't slide on bags? Oh shit! Oh, this Yo, that's fucking tight. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Bro, you're sliding like crazy! Yo, that was a fucking good one. What the fuck?
Doesn't seem like good weather today to try to do donuts in my car for some reason. It's not sliding as easily. What the chandelier? Let's go. Gotta commit to it.
It just won't go. It's not.
Yeah, do exactly what you're doing right now and then just gas it.
It just doesn't want to go. I'm being serious. Dead ass.
Dead ass? It doesn't work? Oh shit, I'm dying. Lol.
If there was rain,
Yeah.
we call it drift lube. Yes.
What happened to all this goddamn rain, dude?
I know.
The one day that we wanted to, what the fuck?
I know it was raining yesterday, the other day.
Alright, looks like we're gonna scrap this video. Yeah guys, this car isn't powerful enough. I'm a pussy. If I had rainwater, I can easily do it just because anyone can do it with rainwater. But I think Josh has got one more for us. Fuck yeah, foo. Hey, Mexico's fun, right?
Back to the warehouse before you get pulled over.
Oh fuck, we gotta get out of here. Gotta go back. All right, guys, we made it back to the warehouse safe and sound. Josh, what do you think of today's weather predicament?
It was whack, dude. I thought it was gonna be wet.
We were gonna try to do like a bunch of donuts and slide around in the rain because, you know, our tires wouldn't get shredded and it would have been a lot easier and more fun.
Yeah, definitely. Go check out our channel, All Aspects Crew. Me and Jason, we're gonna be doing a giveaway.
Yep.
We haven't fully still decided yet, but probably gonna do like 3 to 5 winners, and we'll be sending you out a $100 care package of All Aspects gear. You know?
That's a lot of freaking gear.
A lot of gear, so be on the lookout. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and our YouTube channel, and we'll be announcing the giveaway soon. Also, we've been hearing some people want to see a Mental and All Aspects collaboration, so we'll probably be putting in some work for that too. Make sure to check our builds, the 335 IS and the E30, Germs Evo, and on these RX-7 Rocket Bunny. It's gonna be sick.
As Josh said before, we're gonna be doing a giveaway, so don't miss out on that. That's a lot more winners than I originally thought Josh and me were gonna talk about, but we wanna give back, and I really wanna help their channel grow as well because they've been helping me with every single thing, and I can't thank them enough. So definitely check out their channel. Maybe we'll try this again when it rains, because I know it's gonna be raining for the next like week and a half.
Maybe we could try tomorrow.
Maybe we'll try it and it'll be on their channel when it's successful. At least his car can actually slide, unlike mine. Fuck it, content. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out their channel too. Everything will be in the link in the description below. Catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.